Big data is characterized by. What are the advantages of big data processing? Which of the following sampling methods is used in qualitative research? What is the main difference between structured and unstructured data? Which tool is best suited for real-time data processing? The examination of vast data volumes to discover patterns or valuable insights is known as. To forecast the temperature for the upcoming Monday, which algorithm should be employed? The technique of acquiring primary data by observing individuals is termed. What is Hadoop primarily used for? What is the primary purpose of data visualization